In order to find and access hidden apps on Samsung Galaxy A37, what you can do is you can, for example, open settings, and then if you scroll down, then you can go to the apps list, and then if you know which apps are hidden, then you can find them on this list. They are visible in here, they are not hidden at all. So let's say I have this app hidden, I should be able to open it straight away by using this open button. And there we go, there's no problem with that. Also, if you go to the Play Store and if you search for that specific app, so I'm gonna search for mine that I just opened, then as you can see here, I can still open it without any issues whatsoever. Also, if the app is still running in the background, you can go to recents, and of course, you can open it just like that. Now, in order to find out which apps are actually hidden, then of course you would have to go to the home screen settings, and then here you want to choose hide the apps on home and apps screens, and then here you can see all hidden apps. So that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.